A pleasant afternoon, everyone. I am Charles DNP Torres and I am the reporter number 2. So let's fill up our heads with a lot of numbers. With a guided question here. Karen wants to fence her garden, specifically square garden, which has a side of 20 feet with 2 rows of barbed wire. The store sold barbed wire by the meter at 12 pesos per meter. How much money will Karen need to buy barbed wire she needs? So let's convert first the 20 feet into meters. So here, step by step, yung ginawa kong pag-convert. So, inches to centimeters muna. So, bale, based on international agreement, 1 inches is equivalent to 2.54 centimeters. Next, let's convert centimeters to meters. So, bale, mas malaki yung meters instead of centimeters. Kaya, i-divide natin siya. 2.54 centimeters times 1, divided by 100 is equal to 0.0254 meters. So, for our foot, 1 foot is equivalent to 12 inches. So, let's convert foot into meters. Meters to foot pala. 0.0254 meters times 12 is equivalent, is equal to 0.3048 meters. So let's solve it step by step. So for the perimeter of garden here, since square yung garden niya, so pantay-pantay lang yung side ng garden niya. So minultiply natin siya into 4. 4 times 20 is equal to 80 feet. Now yung 80 feet na ito, i-convert natin siya into meters. So 80 feet times 3048 meters is equal to 24.384 meters. So, atong 24.384, i-account natin siya dun sa 2 barbed wires na kailangan ni Karen. So, 24.384 times 2 is equal to 48.768 meters. So, ito yung meters ng barbed wire na kailangan ni Karen for her garden. Now, multiply by cost per meter, or yung 12 pesos. 48.768 times 12 is equal to 585.216. So, yung 216 natin dito, i-round up natin siya. Therefore, the final answer is 585.22 pesos. This is how much money Karen needs to buy the barbed wire. That's all. Thank you.